How to register on Betwinner with a promo code and benefit from all the advantages that Betwinner have. First, welcome bonuses, loyalty bonuses, bonuses for 100 bets. To start, you must register on Betwinner with the promo code, GAVY200. So as not to miss anything as a promotional offer at Betwinner. You can go through the registration in one click and you enter the promo code. GAVY200, tick the box to validate your registration. You can also go through the complete registration and you fill in all the information requested. And don't forget to put the promo code, GAVY200. With this promo code, you will have 200% bonus on your first deposit. 100% bonus on all your deposits, Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, loyalty bonuses. So register on Betwinner with the promo code, GAVY200 and let's win together on Betwinner. The Betwinner team realizes that what is very important to players are the bonus offers available to claim and has released many different bonus offers, where players can literally claim, free money available to play. The good part is that the rules and requirements are easy to follow and there are no hidden rules like in other online bookmakers' bonus offers. If you join Betwinner, you will not only be satisfied with the betting experience you can get, but all the bonus offer you can claim, which can propel your account to the next levels of betting.